Worthington High School has a lot of great electives for students to learn new life skills. One of these electives is welding, which is operated by the Agriculture Department. It gives students hands-on experience in a demanding career field. Career 2, a student at WHS, is taking the welding elective. Career gives her thoughts on the class and what it could be useful for in the future.
I think welding being taught in high school is really good for the future, just in case they have any stuff they need to do with welding, and it's just something new that they can learn.
Mr. Schmidt, an ag teacher at WHS, instructs the welding elective. Mr. Schmidt grew up welding on his farm and said the best part of the class is when students get over the initial start and learn the basics.
Favorite part of teaching welding is definitely when the kids kind of get over that hump. They learn the basics. They're past the basics, and they actually can start connecting the pieces of metal and doing it properly. It's really fun to see them do that.
Gary Garcia, a student at WHS, is also taking the welding elective. He tells us his thoughts on why welding should be offered in high school.
Not bad of a skill, to be honest with you. It's not bad. You can use welding for like a lot of things in like the outside of school. You know, you can actually make your own business and stuff like that too.
When it comes to welding, just remember, it's just fusing things together with a spark of creativity. This has been Dylan Harms for Trojan News.